In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color on Squarespace. If you want to make certain words stand out, match your brand colors, or simply give your page a cleaner visual style, changing text color in Squarespace is a quick and useful edit. The good news is that you can do it directly inside the text editor without needing any code. To get started, open the page or section swept in Squarespace where your text is located. Once you're in the editor, find the text you want to update. The first thing you need to do is click and highlight the specific text you want to change. Be careful to select exactly the words, sentence, or paragraph you want, because the color change will only apply to the highlighted portion. After the text is selected, look for the text color icon in the editing toolbar. This is the control that lets you adjust the color of your highlighted text. Click that icon to open the available color options. Depending on your editor view, this may appear as a text formatting menu or a color picker panel. When the color options appear, click on Custom. This is the option you'll use if you want more control over the exact shade, instead of choosing only from the preset colors. The custom option is especially helpful if you're trying to match a specific website theme or brand palette. Once you're in the custom color area, go ahead and select the color you want. You can choose the shade visually from the picker until it looks right for your design. Take a moment here to make sure the color is easy to read against the background. A color may look nice, but if there isn't enough contrast, it can make your text harder for visitors to read. After selecting the color, your highlighted text should update right away. If needed, you can click away from the text to preview how it looks in the full section. This is a good time to check whether the new color fits well with the rest of your page and keeps the design consistent. And that's all it takes to change text color on Squarespace. Just highlight the text, click the text color icon, choose custom, and then select your preferred color. It's a simple edit, but it can make a big difference in how your content looks and how important information stands out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.